How to delete Shopify store after free trial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about deleting our Shopify store after a free trial in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So let's just get straight into it. Now to start things off, obviously you're going to come over to your Shopify as we are over here, and once you're in your Shopify, obviously we're going to go ahead and click on login. Now as you click on login, basically it's going to take you through the whole login section, so I'm just going to wait for it to do that. Now as we are over here, you're going to choose the account that you want to log in with. Okay, now most of these accounts that I have are after the free trial. So let's say I'm going to go with this account, okay? Well, I'm going to go with this account and it's going to take me to the store I made with this account. And the store I made with this account is obviously out of the free trial. And once it's out of the free trial, you just want to delete the Shopify store because it's pretty much just taking a lot of space in your section. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Now, as we go into deleting our Shopify store, here it's going to tell us that it's inactive, meaning that the free trial has run out. So I'm going to go to my inactive store. And once we go to our inactive store, I'm just going to wait for things to load up real quick. And you can see over here that it's going to give you this issue. So what you're going to do simply is you're just going to go ahead and click on log out. And once you click on log out, what that will do is it will remove the Shopify store completely. So yeah, that is how you're going to delete a Shopify store after the free trial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.